So what do you get a concert photographer for their birthday that's under $20? I'm going to show you right now because this is really cool. I'm Robert Maxfield. I'm a concert and music photographer in Dallas-Fort Worth, Texas, and welcome to Max Concert Photography, where we talk everything concert photography related. So one of the things that you get as a photographer is you get a ton of bags. I mean, bags upon bags upon bags. I got a ton of bags and they're everywhere. So I recently had a birthday, and for my birthday, guess what? I got a bag. Okay. And I was kind of leery of it, but this little dude is amazing. And we just went on a vacation trip after a long, hard month of what we do. We did Vulgarfest, Herb Albert. I had a lot of stuff going on. I've got another thing coming up. But I got this bag. You can get it on Amazon. I will put the link to it and all that. It's like $16.99. It's by a company called VOOVA, whatever VOOVA is. I don't know. But this bag is amazing because watch this. Sony ZV-E10 with strap, Comica big long mic, double battery charger, some memory cards, and guess what? You still got a ton of room in there. We took this thing on a little 3-day R&R trip to Ada, Oklahoma, where we stayed in Blake Shelton's old home, and did a little rest and relaxation. And I've got some photos of that kind of stuff that I'll share with you, a little bit of video on that. Got a little rest, and it was really, really something special. But this bag, it's got a place for, well, where is it? I know it's here. Oh, got a place right here where you can put your cell phone, your sunglasses. You can put, I put my sunglass case in there. There you go. Okay. It's got pockets in it that you can store stuff into. It's got a little bit of everything as far as room and stuff. It's just great, big, and roomy, and it throws over your shoulder. This bag is $16.99, and I think pretty much you would be able to put in a small mirrorless or maybe a small DSLR into it and not have any problems with it. But it fits right over your shoulder. You can hang it a number of different ways, like this. Like this. It's really pretty comfortable. Looks like it's made out of a Cordura nylon, and it's got little strap hangers so that you can change if you're right-handed or left-handed. It's got little pouches in it, little Ziploc places to put notebooks and information, memory cards. It is not a camera bag by definition, but it works extremely well for one. And it's got another pocket on the front, right, like here, just like the other one on the back. Well, I thought maybe the same pocket. How about that? But it's got these two little sleeves right in here, and for $16.99, and for my birthday, thanks goes out to my sister. She did really, really well. Thanks, Renee. I'm extremely happy with it. And like I said, this week we took a little R&R to recover from, first month or two, this last month or two of shooting has been totally incredible. It's been very, very busy. And check out that bag. It beats paying $100 for a camera bag. That is definitely for sure. I'm not sponsored or paid by anyway by Amazon or VOOVA. I just like the product. I thought it was really cool, so I thought I'd share it with you. I think it's going to take the place of my fanny pack. I want to check it out under actual work circumstances, see how that works. But I think it's a neat alternative, and I'm going to give it a try. Okay, now for my public service announcement. We are in a very, 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 very small niche on YouTube. Very, very few people actually on YouTube go out and search for concert photography information, and it makes it real tiny. But we are about to hit a milestone. We're about to go over 1,000 subscribers, and we need your help. So if you're watching this and you're not subscribed, man, please help us out. Subscribe to this. We promise we're trying to bring the best concert photography information available to you, and we thank you.